Today is a study day, so I'm going to try to do a very healthy breakfast, but before anything I drink my water and get my focus brainzyme to help me throughout the day. So I do a smoothie bowl, which pretty much I just grab whatever I have at hand in my fridge, and I get my smoothie maker, and usually I get as a base either a banana or a pear to give it some smoothiness and some sweetness, and I get something more colorful to give it a bit of antioxidants and vitamins. So I have this persimmon, and I found as well half of a mango that I need to use. Yeah, that's going to be the one for today. Then, to give it an extra antioxidants, I'm trying to use fresh turmeric. I don't put a lot because I think it has a really strong flavor, but to me, to make it a little bit less intense, I tend to use a little bit of cinnamon on it, as well as just a tiny bit. So I add cinnamon. It really helps. You need to like cinnamon as well, but I do, so I put a fair amount of it, and it helps cut the turmeric flavor. So just a splash of milk, of whatever milk you like to use. I tend to use plant-based milk, and because I really like sweet things, I add some dates that don't have a stone, and I think it gives it a very nice flavor. After that, you just need to blend all together and you have your smoothie. Then, to give me all my omega-3s and omega-6s, I blend some flax seeds that I use to put on my smoothie in the end. I really like it, and I read this book of Dr. Greger, so I'm a fan, and it's a habit. Now I do it every day and I don't forget. I try to sprinkle with some red berries and blueberries. They are very good antioxidants, and blueberries have been shown to improve the cognitive abilities in people. There is this study where the people that had 1 cup every day actually make less errors on this study, so I try to follow that. Then I sprinkle with whatever I have at hand. So I like some goji berries. They're also very antioxidants. As you've been noticed, I try to give everything my brain needs to study through the day. Then some granola, also sugar-free if I can, and of course all my red berries that I've just prepared before. I cut some strawberries, probably a bit rustically, but this is really what it happens every morning. It's not just to be pretty. So I layer some of them as well as my blueberry. Then I add the flax seeds that I've just prepared in the beginning, and I layer that all on top so it looks super tasty. Tortilla wants her breakfast as well, and that's it. Family is happy, yes. And that's it. A healthy breakfast for a productive day. So yeah, let's start this. So believe it or not, these were 2 hours of work with my 2 little cats that sat next to me. That's Tortilla in the window, and Shireen that is actually licking her bottom. And yeah, by accident I totally did a time lapse because I'm not used to these things yet. But this is what I'm trying to do. I want to see if I can film some study with me, with you guys, and some healthy breakfasts that I try to make every day as I'm studying for my boards exam. And it's like a little project that makes me a little bit more happy as I get to be creative, even though I just need to learn loads of stuff. So yeah, a little bit of time on my creative abilities doing some videos, and also because I do like to study with company, and these videos online really help me. Since the libraries have been closed, I've no longer been able to go to coffee shops to study, or libraries that are usually my favorite place since I've graduated. So maybe let's try to do like a study room here where we can study together and be productive and share some healthy options to kind of brighten our breaks throughout the day. So see you soon with probably a more successful study with me video, now that I've started to learn a little bit how the machine works. Yeah, I have no idea how I've done that, but yeah, I've done very cool time lapse. I think these 5 minutes of absolute study that were actually 2 hours. I'm so glad they were both even set next to me. That is not always what it happens. But yeah, they stay there for 2 hours and I cannot make a video. So yeah, so look, watch out. I will do my first study with me very soon, probably just tomorrow, and I hope that will be more successful.